Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable not safe for work on Reddit. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Reddit application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged into your account, just tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now, from this page, go ahead and tap on Settings at the very bottom. And now from the settings page, if you scroll down, you will find that underneath View Options, there is an option to show NSFW content. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and this will now enable not safe for work content for your Reddit application. Make sure you only turn this on if you're over 18 or over 21 in some places. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable not safe for work on Reddit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.